Parking garage with 4 elevators. Wow. Looks like we have a mod in progress going on here. Looks like they were Dover. Okay. 5? 4? Jesus, fuck. 3? And they're hydraulic. Oh, wow. Okay. That's nice. Oh, yeah, look, they were Dover. Interesting. So, I guess they are no longer Dover Impulse. That's interesting. Interesting how the chime only rings after the doors have fully opened. This mod looks fresh. Sounds like a metro train has gone by. That's it.